Happy afternoon, children. I hope everyone are fit and healthy. Today we are going to see Unit 1 supplementary. Title is Owlie. Owlie is a story set in the house of a girl called Payal and her mother. As we are going to get into our topic, let me put few questions before you children. Who is Owlie? Have you seen Owlie? Where do they live? Now let us see. Owls are known as birds of prey. Owls has sharp beak and claws and uses to hunt food. The color of owl feathers tend to be tan, brown, grey and white. Owls has large eyes that face forward as do your eyes. The wings are long and broad and tails are usually short. Now let us see about the author. You want to know about the author, isn't it, children? The author's name is Vijaya Ghosh. She is the Vijaya Ghosh. Vijaya Ghosh was born in Andhra Pradesh at the height of the independence movement. Vijaya Ghosh is a teacher, writer and animal lover. Children, let me ask you, do you like birds and animals? Some may like and some might not like. It's okay, children. Which bird have you kept as a pet in your house? Good, children. Now shall we see the beautiful story about Owlie? Children, here in this story there are three main characters. They are Payal, the lovely girl, Payal's mother, who is an animal lover, and the Shefali Didi. Didi is called as sister. Dear children, you are eagerly waiting to know and watch the story of Owlie, isn't it? Now let us see the story. Mom! Payal yelled in panic. Owlie's gone. Where would she have gone, Payal? Children, the story is a beautiful and interesting story. Now you know owl, isn't it? Their eyes are round and very bright. Night it remains awake. It is a different bird from other birds. Here, Payal is a small girl. She is telling to her mother, Mom, Owlie is gone. I can't find her. Then mother asked her, where would she have gone? Her mother said crossly, she was right there, sleeping in her cage a little while ago. When I saw her, it was sleeping. I saw her, Mom. Where did it go? But she is not there now. Now it is missing. Mom, the door to the garden is open. Okay, the door to the garden is open. Payal's mother running into the room. Sure enough, there was no sign of Owlie. They were searching and searching, but they could not find Owlie. Now you may ask, what was an owl doing in the house? Isn't it, children? Usually we grow pet in the house, but Owlie? Yes, children, we don't grow Owlie in the house. So here Shefali Didi is called as a sister. Okay, children? Well, Payal's house was home to all kinds of creatures, mainly abandoned animals. People brought lost dogs, injured cats, and baby birds that had fallen out of their cages to Payal's mother. It wasn't that they had a large farm or even a large house. It's just that everyone knew that Payal's mother had a big heart. But even in a household used to such unexpected visitors, Owlie's advent had been memorable. Shefali Didi had just turned up one day carrying a curtain. Shefali Didi means Shefali's sister. What was in the curtain? When Payal's mother opened the curtain, there was the smallest owlet sitting in one corner, a small ball of brown and grey. Payal's mother picked her up gently and placed her in her lap, talking to her just as she would to the dogs. She had never handled owl before, so she was very careful not to get pecked. When the owl got used to her and seemed relaxed enough, Payal's mother placed her inside a cage. There were always empty cage in Payal's house, just in case a bird dropped in. The baby owl climbed on the rod and settled herself comfortably. You see, children, comfortably it is sitting on the rod inside the cage. Look at the picture, children. How it is sitting. Mom, what shall we call her? Come on, we shall keep a name to her. What name shall we keep, Mom? Please tell me. What shall we call her? Dear, better you choose a name. I, Mom? Yes, you choose a name. Mom, how about Owlie? That's a nice name. Owlie? Very good. Now, what does one feed on an owl? Owls are hunters. They eat rats and snake and frogs. We are all vegetarians, even the dogs. At least for Owlie, let us buy meat. What shall we do, my dear? I think you can go and buy half a kilogram of minced meat to the house and put the meat before Owlie. Let us see, children, whether it is eating or not. Oh, Owlie is biting me. See, Payal, whenever I am feeding her, it is biting me. Oh no, it is biting me very badly, my fingers. See, Payal, look at the Owlie, how it is eating. Mom, you have killed Owlie. Mom, you have killed her. See, Mom, you have killed her. No, 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 I did not kill her. Oh, what have I done to the poor little Owlie? I think the Owlie is dead. Now what should we do, Mom? Now we have to bury poor Owlie. Oh no, I did not do to her anything. But what happened to her? Now we have to bury her. Believing that Owlie died, they decided to bury Owl. Mom, see, Owlie has opened one eye and then the other. She got onto her feet and quietly climbed onto her cage. This is Owlie's way of defending herself against the danger. See, Payal, Owlie is biting me. Biting me whenever I feed her. This means you have lots of bitten fingers, Mom. See, Mom, look at your fingers. It has bitten you. Oh no. So sad, Mom. See, children, Owlie is a spotted owlet. She had the typical grey-brown coat, heavily spotted with white, and the pale face, yellow eyes, and the white neck band, which looked like a ribbon. Good, Payal. It is your duty to clean the cage every day. Fill the water bowl, feed the owl, and take care. Okay, Payal? Mom, I will look after Owlie. I will clean the cage every day. I will fill the water bowl. I will feed her till she is able to eat by herself. I will cover the cage during the days. Owls are night birds, so they sleep during the day. At night they will be active. So I will cover the cage and keep it. They decided to shift the owl to the library. This is not the right place for owls. So what shall we do? Let us shift her with the cage to the library. It is a nice place with clean room and it has two doors. One which leads to the rest of the house and the other open into the garden. Is it clear, Payal? The books shelves also had lots of little knickknacks. Pretty things were displayed here along with the books. So there were beautiful pictures of pottery, dolls from wherever we have travelled, wooden animals and birds from all around the world. That's good. But when we move owl to the library, strict rules should be followed by everyone in the house. First of all, door should not be kept open at night or not in the day too. Is that okay, Payal? Every night, Payal keeps the cage door open and put a plate of minced meat on top of the cage so that Owlie flew out of her cage. She will learn to find her food. Mom said to Payal, please shut the cage door every morning, otherwise she will fly away. Be careful. Payal said, Mom, hardly everyone goes to the room, so I will not shut the cage door, even during the day. Mom, the cage is empty. No sign of Owlie. And the door to the garden is open. Every day I see Owlie fast on asleep on her perch. Who left the garden door open? How will we find Owlie now? Oh no! Don't panic, my dear Payal. She must be somewhere around. Come on, shut the garden door and look in every corner of the room, behind the doors, top to the tall bookshelves, in every nook and cranny. Don't be worried. No, where Owlie is there. I wanted Owlie to fly away, but not so soon. She was still small. How would she hunt for her food? Oh, what shall we do, Mom? Where she will be? What if a kite or an eagle swooped down on her? Well, now Owlie has gone. We may as well leave the door open and air the room. Since she is not there, let us keep the door open. Oh, Payal, wipe your tears. I sincerely believe that my Owlie will come back, Mom. If I open the doors to the room, it will be back. Mom said, why don't you find yourself to read good books? It is the only way to cheer you up. I know about you, Payal. From your young age, you used to read good book, isn't it? Okay, Mom. I remember you always reading books whenever you are sad. My dear, you feel sad, I know. Why don't you read a book? Mom, she is back. She is opening one eye and pretending to be Curio. Yes, Owlie is back. Very naughty Curio. I'm so happy to see Curio Owlie again. See here, after Owlie, don't go anywhere. Be in the cage itself. It will be safe for you. Then only we can be happy, Owlie. Come on, Owlie, be here. Don't go anywhere. Dear children, I hope all of you understood the story. And I hope you loved Owlie very much. So, the moral of the story is we have to show love, care, and concern to all living creatures because they are our friends. So, dear children, love all the animals. Take care of them. So read the story 5 times. Thank you very much.